Welcome to the countdown of the top 5 fastest Rubik's Cube solves of 2024.
In 5th place, we have Giannis Costincelli with an impressive 4.07 second solve. Coming in at number 4 is Matti Hirioto Inaba, clocking in at 4.05 seconds. Taking the 3rd spot is Nathafat Matani with a lightning-fast 4.02 second solve. In 2nd place, we have Timon Kolasinski with an incredible 3.66 second solve. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The fastest Rubik's Cube solve of 2024 goes to Yiheng Wang with an astonishing 3.47